Hey guys, I am going to tell you about your new best friend for digital marketing. AI is the new trend. It's a great tool for being able to utilize something to create all of your content. And sometimes it's hard to come up with new content for your blog posts, for social media posts, and you have ideas, but it's just time consuming to write the content, make sure it's correct. So I'm going to tell you today about one AI tool called Jasper. Previously, it was Jarvis. So Jasper's a great tool. It's inexpensive and it gives you a ton of different templates to work off of to create the content that you need for your digital marketing strategy. So I'm going to quickly show you, this is our dashboard, and we have everything from documents to email subject lines, Facebook ads, uh, photo post captions for Instagram, SEO blog title and meta descriptions. This is just the ones that we use mainly, along with YouTube titles and descriptions, but it gives you Amazon product descriptions. It gives you blog post conclusion paragraphs. So this has a ton of other tools on here that you can use. But what I want to show you today is how to utilize this for your social media. So let's just go to a photo post caption. And I'm just going to use their example. So traveling to South Africa to see rhinos on a safari. So you just say what your post is about. So I'm going to say social media tips for travel influencers. Then it gives you your tone. So this can be witty, friendly, disappointed, polite, creative, professional. So I can say creative. And then you put in your language. So we're going to just do obviously English. And all you have to do, and you can put is up to 800 characters. So you can give as much detail here as you want and as little. And so what you would just do is then click generate, and it's thinking and it's going to give you 3 different posts. So this is 1.5 thousand posts and counting. Thanks for following my Wonderlist journey. If you're looking to up your travel influence or influencer game, here are some social media tips to help you stand out from the pack. So these are just short little captions that you can use with your image. So if we want to go into further detail, social media tips for travel influencers using videos, Instagram and TikTok, how these tools help your brand. So if you want to kind of go into more detail, then you can click generate, and it's going to revise those posts and give you a little bit more than keeping those 3 that you've already done, but then being able to give you more content. So let's say, so this is a great tool to just help spark that creativity, because then you can take this content and add to it and be able to use that on your social media platforms. The other thing I love about this, if you go back to your templates and we go to documents, I always like, you can create workflows. I like to just start from scratch. And on here, again, you kind of feel out what you want this to be about. And this is what I like to use to write longer copy. Now, the one thing that I love about Jasper is everything, there's no copyright infringements, there's no plagiarism. Everything that this writes is unique for you. And let's say I'm just going to pull content from our own site since we did write this, but let's say I love this piece of content, but I want to reword it for a social media post. I can copy that content into this document and I can click these 3 little stars to rephrase. It's going to rephrase this piece for us. And so if I don't like that one, I can click try again. And oh, that's the one. I can click check, and it's going to update that content. Now, if I want to come down here and this is going to say write an article about, so this will actually write an article for you. And so we can say how to use social media tools like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest for the travel influencer industry. Why is it important to use these tools? So you can give more and more details here, up to 600 characters. And so here is, we can say creative again. Keywords, we can say travel influencer, travel, social media. And then the output, we can say the length shorter, medium, or long. Let's just say shorter for now, because I may want to use this just as a social media post. Then I'm going to click compose. So Jasper is thinking, and if you like it, you keep going. So it's going to keep writing a blog post for you. And this is great because, again, this gives you a guideline to be able to help create this content that then you can edit and use for your digital marketing strategy. So right here, in less than 10 seconds, we have 3 paragraphs that we can either create a blog out of, or we can use these for social media posts. So this is just such a great tool. So I'm gonna save this because I think we may use this for some of our content. So then you can go back and you can have all of your saved documents right in here under documents. So this is just a great tool to have at your fingertips to help with those daily tasks of your social media strategy. If you have questions about your social media strategy and using tools like Jasper and being able to post consistently, please let us know. We are here to help you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.